How to clean gold jewelry at home. If you notice your gold jewelry pieces are starting to look dull or dingy, then it's time to give them a thorough cleaning. Dish soap and warm water are the perfect gold jewelry cleaners, and it only takes a few minutes to restore the look of your pieces. Cleaning your gold and taking good care of it ensures that your jewelry lasts for a long time, and we'll walk you through the entire process. This video provides you a step-by-step guidance and tips on safely and effectively cleaning your gold jewelry. Watch now to master the secrets of DIY gold jewelry cleaning and keep your accessories looking radiant and beautiful. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning gold with dish soap, how often to clean, and maintaining gold jewelry. Now let's get started. Things you should know. 1. Soak your gold jewelry in a bowl of warm water and dish soap for 15 minutes to loosen dirt and grime. 2. Scrub your jewelry gently with a soft bristled toothbrush to break apart stuck-on debris. Be sure to work the bristles into tight spaces and under any gemstones. 3. Rinse your jewelry off with warm water and pat it dry with a soft towel or an old t-shirt. Clean your gold jewelry once a month to maintain its look. Method 1. Cleaning gold with dish soap. Number 1. Fill a bowl with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Use a small bowl instead of cleaning your gold jewelry in the sink so you don't risk losing it down the drain. Use lukewarm tap water instead of hot or boiling water so you don't damage the metal or any gemstones. Then, add in a few drops of dish soap and gently stir the solution together. Dish soap works great for cleaning gold-filled jewelry as well as solid gold. Alternatively, try using a commercial gold cleaner for your jewelry. Many times, you'll mix the cleaner with water, but instructions may vary, so follow the package's instructions. Avoid using harsh chemicals, like bleach, chlorine, or acetone, to clean your gold jewelry because it could discolor or damage the metal. Even vinegar has the potential to damage gold jewelry, so just stick with soapy water. Stay away from abrasive cleaners as well, such as baking soda and toothpaste. Gold is a soft metal and abrasive cleaners could easily leave scratches behind. Number 2. Soak your jewelry for 15 to 20 minutes in the soapy water. Leave your jewelry in the solution to break apart dirt and grime that accumulated on the surface. Soaking your jewelry also helps remove debris and residue that's stuck inside crevices or underneath gemstones. Number 3. Break apart stubborn dirt and grime with a soft bristled toothbrush. Dip the bristles of the toothbrush into the soapy water and gently scrub the surface of your jewelry. Be sure to focus on any areas that have tight nooks and crannies where dirt, oils, and debris may get caught. If you're cleaning gold rings or earrings with gemstones, scrub the underside of the stones to help restore their shine and sparkle. If your gold jewelry still has black spots, it may be tarnished. Gold slowly forms tarnish after about 50 to 60 years, and removing the darkened spots may actually decrease its value. Number 4. Rinse your jewelry with warm water. After you remove all of the dirt and grime from the gold surface, dip it into a bowl filled with hot water to rinse off any residual soap or dirt. Swish the jewelry around in the water and gently shake off the excess when you're finished. Avoid rinsing your jewelry under running water from your faucet because you could easily lose your grip and drop an expensive piece down the drain. If you need to use your sink, then plug the drain or put your jewelry in a fine mesh strainer to keep it from getting lost. Number 5. Dry your gold jewelry with a soft cloth. Gently pat your piece of jewelry dry using a soft microfiber cloth or an old t-shirt so you don't leave any scratches in the gold. Once your jewelry is dry, it's ready to wear or be put away in a safe place. Avoid using paper towels because they're slightly abrasive and can damage the soft metal. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. How often should you clean gold jewelry? Number 1. Wipe your jewelry off after each time you wear it. Because oils from your skin or any lotions you're wearing may get on your jewelry, just wipe the pieces off with a soft, damp cloth whenever you take the pieces off for the day. Number 2. Do routine cleanings once a month to maintain your jewelry. If you notice your jewelry looks visibly dull or dingy, then carve out a few minutes in your schedule to soak and scrub the pieces clean. Maintaining your gold jewelry each month helps prevent the buildup of dirt and oil so your jewelry continues to sparkle and shine. If you wear your gold jewelry more frequently, then you may need to clean it twice a month instead. Number 3. Take your gold to a jeweler for professional cleaning once a year. Contact the jeweler where you purchased your gold jewelry and see if they offer cleaning or polishing services. Otherwise, search for jewelers in your area and ask how much they charge for cleaning. A jeweler will be able to clean your jewelry safely so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in the process. Professional jewelers may also be able to remove scratches from the surface of your jewelry. Some jewelers may offer free cleanings, but it will normally cost between $25–50 USD. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Maintaining gold jewelry. Number 1. Take off your jewelry before doing strenuous or messy activities. If you plan on exercising, swimming, doing household chores, or any activity that could get dirty, remove your jewelry to prevent damage. Take off gold jewelry whenever you're applying sunscreen or lotion, or if you're taking a shower because it could make the metal look dull or dingy. Number 2. Examine your jewelry for damage before wearing it. Before you put on your jewelry, check that the clasps are secure and undamaged so they don't break throughout the day. If you have gold jewelry that contains gemstones, look at the stones to make sure they're not loose or wobbly. If you notice any damage or loose gems, take your jewelry to a professional for repairs. Number 3. Store your gold in a jewelry box or tarnish-resistant pouch. Whenever you're not wearing your jewelry, place it inside a protective box or pouch to keep it free from dust and dirt. Lined boxes or pouches also prevent the jewelry from getting scratched or damaged if they're jostled around, so they're perfect for making your gold pieces last. Avoid stacking gold jewelry on top of each other because they could chip or scratch one another. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Do's and don'ts of cleaning gold jewelry. Do soak the jewelry before and after. We recommend soaking the jewelry first in cold water or a detergent bath, or, if available, use your allure jewelry cleaner, says CEO and ring expert 𝒍𝒐𝒃𝒏𝒆 from allure. Afterwards, soak the jewelry in warm water. Do purchase special cloths. I recommend purchasing some cleaning and polishing cloths to help you with periodically repolishing your jewelry, suggests Arnett. My favorite brand is Town Talk. They have a range of products for different metals. I would recommend the gold dual polishing cloth. Do seek advice about gemstones. Each gemstone has different characteristics, so we advise asking your jeweler about the best cleaning methods for your specific gemstone, says Kostelny. However, for a quick shine, wipe your gemstones with a gem cloth. These can be purchased at your local jeweler. Don't use harsh cleaning products. The type of cleaning product you use is crucial to keeping your pieces safe. Avoid any cleaning products that are too strong like bleach and, if unsure, do a test patch on an inconspicuous area first, says Arnett. Don't use a large brush. Choose your brush with care. When cleaning your gold and platinum jewelry, it is best to use a new, baby-sized, soft-bristled toothbrush, says jewelry recovery specialist Kay Kostelny from Jewelers Mutual. Don't use soap with unknown ingredients. You should always read the label when it comes to cleaning products. Avoid any soap with unknown ingredients, advises Kostelny. You should remove your gold jewelry before showering to avoid accumulating a film from other body washes. Tips to keep gold jewelry clean longer. 1. Remove gold jewelry when washing your hands or bathing to prevent soap scum from forming on the surface. 2. Remove all jewelry before entering a hot tub, swimming pool, or the beach. Harsh chemicals like chlorine, acids, sulfur, and salt can damage or discolor gold, particularly items less than 24 carats. Chlorine can weaken your gold jewelry structure and eventually lead to its breaking. 3. Avoid exposing gold jewelry to hairsprays, makeup, medicated lotions, and creams. 4. Carefully store gold jewelry in separate compartments of a fabric-lined jewelry box to prevent items from scratching each other and dulling the finish. 5. Avoid cleaning gold with ammonia. You can use it, but it is a strong chemical that is caustic. Some will use it for deep cleaning of jewelry. But, be judicious. If you overuse it, it can wear down your gold. Also, ammonia may not be safe for other types of jewelry like platinum or pearls, so be cautious when using it. When to go to a professional? Worried your gold jewelry is permanently ruined? If your pieces are still dull or discolored after cleaning, you should take them to a professional jeweler. The jeweler will know how to restore your piece to its original beauty. Most places where you have purchased jewelry items may offer complimentary cleaning annually. According to the luxury jewelry retailer Tiffany & Company, the jewelers recommend that you bring your regularly worn jewelry items to get cleaned at least once a year. Jewelers clean but also check prongs and stone settings. On average, if you bought the jewelry elsewhere or your jewelry store doesn't offer free cleaning, you can expect to pay between $25 to $50 for the jeweler's time and expertise. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.